Oh my god! So I'm recycling and decluttering, but I got this TRS cables from. I don't know what these things are. These little black plastic things. They just sent me a bunch of black plastic things. I got the cable, but like, what's the point of these little things? And they're excited to have me as a customer. And the manufacturers, I don't know how to pronounce that. Any of those. How do you pronounce? That's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious is the manufacturer. So I'm not sure how to figure that one out. And God, why do I have Incontinent? It's an Incontinent day. It's going to be a fun day. It looks like it's going to rain. I'm supposed to work. Work on a rain day. Let's see what happens. Magic happens on a rain day. At least I have you. My camera. Oh, I thought I lost this camera. I thought someone stole this camera. I can't believe the torment I went through in my head for a full month, thinking that someone stole this camera. So now that I have it back, we have to new track of life, and trying to get all this. Who made this big mess? Is the big question. Who made this big mess, and who's going to clean it up? I have to clean it up as best I can. Oh my god, I just had this Cookie Monster. It's so good. I had one. I'm going to have another. My friend Jay made these cookies. There's a whole bunch of good stuff in them. Nom 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 nom. Nom.com. Oh, let's turn the light on. Because I have lights in the kitchen. So you can see the big mess. No, I'm not going to show you the big mess because it's actually quite embarrassing. And I got some recycling to take down. Don't want to choke on my cookie. Ooh. Wouldn't that be silly? Huh? But no, I make this cooking oil with THC in it. And I gave said cooking oil to my friend Jay, who comes to see me quite often. I've known him for years. We're into the spiritual mumbo jumbo, like everyone's connected through everything. Everything is why. Why is everything? Why anything? Why does Wednesday not have a Z in it? And anyway, he made these cookies and they're really good. They're really good for you, but they got some THC in them. I don't know how much. And I don't care, because they're delicious. And I carry them with me, so if you want to try a cookie that Jay made, just hit me up. Maybe I'll have one on me, and you'll be lucky. It's such a good cookie. There's like good stuff. I forget. I gotta ask Jay what's in them. He went on a list of things, and because of my brain, I think I have CTE, which is like a brain thing that we're trying to figure out. I can't remember, but it's full of goodness. David, do you want a cookie?
I had a cookie last night. That's why I'm not getting up.
this one, and I like this one in particular because it's made more with a summer weight. So again, this is a nice
fashion. It's fashion. What do you want? You want to go out again?
The sleeve is a little bit oversized.
Okay.
I think when you're going to pair it with a
We can do that.
you want to again think about
Oh, Sapphire.
So again, come in the
Sapphire being daring.
We're going to ruche the sleeve to help show a little bit more skin on top to match.
Sapphire walked right past Prince.
On the bottom for the shorts.
Yeah.
Voila, already it's changing and transforming.
She's not afraid anymore.
Now she's going to add a belt to again.
She's not afraid of you. You're such a handsome boy.
This blazer is Helsa, available at Revolve.
Are you coming with me to take the recycle? Is that what's happening? Well, I'm just throwing all these clips in the recycle. I'm going to keep the little straps. Oh, there's more cookies there. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Do I have treats in here for you?
When you talk about, are those naturally oversized shorts, or did you size up in order to achieve this look?
Such a great question. I did not
Oh,
size up, so these are
sit.
naturally oversized. So you want to look for a Bermuda style jean short.
Disappearing boner trick.
Aha.
This is how we do it.
This is the way you want to look for.
Anyway, I'm getting my recycling together. We are just ready to take that down. No, I'm not taking you with me. My hands are full. And you don't behave. You're stubborn. Oh, but I gotta pause my show. Oh, what's happening? Oh, Paw Patrol. Something about Paw Patrol. I gotta pause. I don't understand how to get my TV or my computer off dark mode. Not you. It's so frustrating. I turned my computer into dark mode once a long time ago when I was really, really high, and I don't know how to get back. So if anyone can help me out with that, that would be great. Assistance. I'm going to, I need my, no. There we go. Oh. Lens cap is my Salto tag. There goes this recycle. They clean the floor. Nice clean floor. Oh. This is how we do it.